Sharafuddin.
Take action against all terrorists. Wipe them out. Wipe them out. Give them death. Give them death. Give to Hindutva terrorists.
Sharafuddin.
Take action against all terrorists. Wipe them out. Wipe them out. Give them death. Give them death. Give to Hindutva terrorists.
The first point is, unfortunately, our country is not being governed by Sharia. If it would have been governed by Sharia, there would be no rapes, feticide, triple talaq, corruption, lynchings, murders, riots, etc. Look at Saudi Arabia. They don't have all Nirbhayas and Geetas. I want to say that punish every rapist and murderer with capital punishment.
Every rapist should be hanged. That's the bottom line.
Then only our daughters will be safe. Every Indian daughter should be protected.
In India, the rapist of the minor children have been...
Like that of Saudi Arabia. Because of that in Saudi, least rapes are there, least murders are there. Thanks to Islamic law. Bring that in India and give that job to us. I'll do that inshallah personally. As a son of Indian Army Naik,
Islamic law.
Let us punish every rapist and murderer with capital punishment. Protect Indian daughters. That is the only option. A rapist Chinmay Anand should be hanged on the crossroad. BJP RSS Guru and member of parliament of BJP. The worst kind of rapist India had ever seen.
1 second.
73-year-old rapist of BJP union minister. He should be hanged on the crossroad.
Okay. Hold on.
See, our constitution keeps on amending based upon the requirements and based upon the timings. And due to the ineffectiveness of the constitutional law, rapes, murders, dowry deaths, feticide, all these are increasing day by day. So do corruption, lynchings, etc. Hence, we should have a law which is unchanged, perfect, flawless, up to the mark and standard, and that is given by our Creator, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, for the whole of humanity.
In our entire legal
implemented
system.
in Saudi Arabia, best for all.